Hello, thanks for watching this video to learn more about the new CheckFront Property Reservation system that we are launching to make booking any of our Kansas Heartland properties easier for our troop leaders. Please note that this software is only available to be used for those who are booking for Girl Scout purposes. If you're wanting to book our properties for a private use such as a family reunion or birthday party, etc., you need to contact us at 316-684-6531 to find out about pricing and availability for public use. If you are booking for Girl Scout purposes, continue on. So when you go to our new CheckFront website, you'll see the new booking system, lots of pictures of the properties that are available. It does default to our largest, most popular location, Starwoods Outdoor Center, but you can see that there are tabs here where you can click over and go to Camp Double E, Camp Four Winds, or any of our meeting spaces. It also defaults a little bit into the future because we want you to book at least a week in advance so that we can ensure that the property is available and ready for your use. When you click on that date, you can advance to the date that you're looking for. And notice that there's a little bit of color coding here. Green means the property is available, red means that it's booked, or if it's grayed out, then it's pulled out of inventory, probably for a council event or other purpose, making it not available. So you can advance through and find the date that you're looking for. You can extend your checkout date to have a second night and search for available properties. In each of the individual cabins and activity areas, you can see the cover photo and the base pricing. That's usually for a single night. But if you click on details, you can learn a little bit more about the property, reading through the description, seeing more about its availability, photos, and then going ahead and booking that property. Some of the properties have more details than others, showing you day capacity, night capacity, the amenities that are available in that cabin, as well as the pricing structure and additional photos. In the availability, notice that there is also a drop down for 1 night or 2 nights, depending on the property and kind of the price structure. Often you get a big price break if you're booking for the full weekend instead of just a single night. When you find the property that you're interested in booking, you're going to go ahead and select Book Now. Check that drop down to make sure that it's on the 1 night or 2 night option that you're wanting, that it has the correct dates that you want, and it gives you your dates and your pricing again here at the bottom. When you continue, it takes you into the booking form. Here you can add an additional booking. You can clear, you can edit, or you can start filling out the details that are needed for completing the booking. Some of the spaces have additional amenities such as waterfront. When you book waterfront, you can book it for 3 hours or 8 hours. And you see the price point changes, and you can change the start time. So say I wanted to book a 3-hour waterfront experience beginning at 1 p.m. It takes you back to the booking page and some additional options. Are you also wanting to canoe, kayak, or use the stand-up paddle boards? You can add those quickly and easily right here in the booking screen. Next, add your details. So your name, your trooper service unit number, your email address, phone number, address, all of those basics, and give us a brief description of your facility usage. Tell us what program level is going to be using, estimated attendance for number of youth and number of adults. Note that 2 approved volunteers must be present, and maybe more depending on the age level of your girls and number of girls in attendance. So make sure you're checking Girl Scout safety ratios to ensure that you have the required number of adults attending. If all of your participants are registered Girl Scout members, no additional insurance is needed. You're covered under your Girl Scouts basic insurance. But if you're making this a family event where you're inviting parents and siblings and non-registered members, you will need to purchase additional supplemental insurance by calling the council office. If it's a recurring troop meeting, you can say yes, and that prompts a couple of extra questions about the recurrence. Tell us who your certified first aider is. And then depending on some of the activities that you've chosen, it may ask for additional certifications. Note that when you are booking, these are not facilitated activities. You are providing your own facilitators. So you'll need to provide the name and certification of a lifeguard and a small craft safety facilitator in order to book the waterfront. If we don't already have those certifications on file, you can email them to us at info@gskh.org so that we can have those on file and confirm your booking. Then we have our terms of service and our booking contract. By booking through CheckFront, you are saying that this is for Girl Scout purposes and not a private event. And it walks you through the contract details. So be sure to read that and have clear understanding of what's allowed and not allowed on our property. Once you have read the terms of agreement, go ahead and click that you have read and agreed to them, and then continue. Here we have our booking invoice. In the booking invoice, it gives you a summary of those answers that you just answered on the previous page, all of the details, and your balance due, as well as a copy of that contract. You'll enter your payment information here, and then click Pay. From there, it completes the booking, you receive confirmation email, and we look things over, double check that the property is available and that you have all of the needed certifications, and then we'll confirm with you that the booking is complete. If you have questions or need help working through a booking, please contact us at 316-684-6531, and we would be happy to help you through the process.